Welcome back, scholars, and here are the answers to the do now. The first one is 3, the second one is 5, the third one is 4, the fourth one is 7, and the fifth one is 177 and 1400s. You're kind of wondering, well, how does that happen? How'd you get that so quickly? Well, one of the things that I want you to look at is that each one of the first 4, you are multiplying by 1. So you can take the multiplicand, which is 30 here. This is 1 times 30. I know that I have 1 decimal place, which is the tenths. In order for the 0 to be in tenths, it has to be 1 over, so 3.0. When I go back to this, I know that I have thousands. I have to move it over 1, 2, 3, so it makes it 5. These hundreds moves over 2, 1, 2. Same thing here. Then, of course, you multiply for the next one. Here's some vocabulary for you to review. Give you about 5 more seconds. I'm going to be asking for a scholar to please read this out loud, either in your classroom or in distance learning. Pausing the video. Excellent. Love those strong leaders. Maybe you can be a state senator or representative, or even a U.S. senator representative. Scholars will be able to use whole number multiplication to express equivalent measurements. What? Yeah, we're going to be looking at regular measurements that we use on a daily basis, such as miles or yards or foots, maybe a gallon of milk, maybe a liter of Coke. Then we're going to be looking at pounds and ounces, and then maybe talking about time. So that's what you're going to be working with. So you're going to be multiplying with some of these measurements. And you get a reference sheet to use while you're working this. This is what you're going to be using. Each one of you should have it in your notebook that you got on campus. For my distance learning, I put these in the Draw It. Let's review for the first one. I want to know 3 weeks is equal to how many days? So the first thing I do is I decompose this and say I have 3 weeks equals 3 times 1 week. Why do I do that? Because if I go back to my reference sheet, I know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So knowing that, what answer did you get? Excellent, excellent, excellent. You are correct. It is 21 days. 3 times 7 days equals 21. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, you have a draw. You're going to have 3 minutes to go to it. Give you the answer. Teachers, you have the opportunity here to go ahead and go on with the lesson on your own. The slides behind each draw it gives you the answer, or you can go ahead and stick with the video here. I'll see you in the next video.